research tells me that you developed some kind of magical drug.
It's more than a magic drug. It's a one-hit wonder.
What, does it make you sing or something?
Better than that.
What is this drug made of?
Crack cocaine, heroin, crystal meth, angel dust, LSD, ecstasy, nicotine, caffeine, marijuana, chocolate, and hibiscus. Bastard son of 1,000 fathers.
Let's make it happen.
We are in trouble. Someone is blackmailing me.
I just can't keep giving you money. Now, if you need help getting rid of those goons,
What up, Cal?
Hey, guys.
I could do that.
How'd it go down that day?
I have no mercy for anyone that crosses me.
Lori Buruku.
To continued success.
The bastard drug distribution is now under new management.